Hi everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So this time I thought I'm gonna create a makeup look, as I've been doing loads of reviews and not really just creating a makeup looks. So I've been actually neglecting one of my palettes for a while and wasn't using it at all for some weird reason, although I really like it. So I'm talking about a Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette. I am really liking it, and today I thought I'm just gonna create a makeup look. So I came up with this eye makeup look, if you guys can see. Promise you, super simple and super easy to recreate. So I think I'm just gonna stop talking and let's just jump into the actual tutorial. Alright, let's do this. I feel like I've been really neglecting this palette and not using this enough. So for today's look, we're gonna start with this beautiful color in here, is our transition color. So when I say transition color, I mean a slightly bit higher than the creases. It's gonna be like the easiest makeup look ever. Next thing, I'm taking this light grayish color and apply in the inner corners of my eye till the middle kinda-ish. Just packing the color on. Keeping my eyes open so I see where the crease is exactly, so I pack slightly bit higher than my crease is, so if my eyes are open I can actually see the color. So next thing I'm doing, I'm taking this darker brown color in here and gonna go on the outer V. Just gonna pack a color. So next thing we're gonna do, I really like this color in here. So I'm gonna pack this in the middle of our mobile lid. So to do that, I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm gonna spray it with finishing spray. So I'm taking the same brush that I used before and just blending slightly bit that pressed shimmer that we just put on, so it's not the harsh line. So what I like to do, I'm gonna come back with the eyeshadow after we're gonna apply the eyeliner. I prefer to put eyeliner first and then check if I like my eyeshadow the way it turned out. So I'm gonna use the Tarte's MANEATER. So I got my eyeliner on, and as I said before, I like to fix my shadow after I apply eyeliner because then I see the line when it finishes, and well, I think you know what I mean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of that transition color that we used before on the outer corners, till the wings, till where the wings start, just to finish this off so it matches, there's no gap between. And then I'm taking the same brush that I used before for the outer corners with a darker color and taking the same darker brown color again and adding a little bit on the outer corners where my wing is to blend in the color. And then just gently go through the crease, blending in the colors together so there's no harsh lines. So for the lower lashes, I'm gonna go with this orangey color in here and go all the way on my lower lash line. So I might go slightly bit heavy-handed just now as I don't have any foundation yet, and later when I'm gonna be applying foundation, I'm gonna tidy this part up a little bit. Before I'm gonna go and apply the foundation, I'm gonna apply the falsies, and for falsies I'm gonna go with my favorites, and I keep coming back to these ones. It's by Mandy Lashes. They actually changed the name to Azerado Cosmetics, and I got a discount code as well, so I'm gonna link it if you guys want to check it out. And I have in my favorite style, Vixen. I'm honestly coming back to this over and over again. Alright, so I got the lashes on and I applied a little bit of NYX Worth the Hype mascara on the top lashes as well. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna tidy up the lower lash line, add a little bit of the white pen and highlight in the eye corner, and we're done with the eyes. As I told you guys, super simple eye makeup look, super easy to recreate. So I'm taking a smaller, denser brush and the same orangey color that I used before. I'm gonna go slightly bit tidier and closer to the lash line, like super close to the lash line, to the waterline. Still not going super tidy further through, as I'm gonna clean it off when I'm gonna be applying foundation. As you can see, my rosacea is going crazy in this ever. So next thing, I'm taking a Too Faced Bulletproof Shadow Liner in White Light, and I'm just gonna line my waterline. So before I apply the mascara on the lower lash line, I want to brighten the inner eye corner. And I think like the icy color would look nice, so I'm going with this color in here. Alright, time for mascara. I'm gonna use the same NYX Waterful Height mascara on my lower lash line. So I'll go clean off my face and apply foundation and all, and I'm gonna come back to you. And as you just seen, this is the finished makeup look. So for my lips, I added a NYX Laundry Liquid Lipstick in the color Honeymoon, if you're wondering what it is. And yeah, I am really liking this Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette. I like actually all the Flawless, but I feel like this one is the most pigmented and blends the easiest and the best. Although Flawless 3 is really nice palette as well, and I use that actually a lot. But I don't know why I've been neglecting this palette for so long. So I'm back to this, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick tutorial, because this is honestly super easy to recreate. It won't take time. If you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures, as I would love to see those. And yeah, leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. And if you like this tutorial, please press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you very soon. Bye! Ciao!